Can we really multiply using our fingers and toes? How about we try multiples of 9? What's 9 multiplied by 8? Let's number the fingers in a clockwise direction. 1 to 5 and 6 to 10. This is the 8th finger. We color it as we're finding the 8th multiple of 9. To get the answer, all we need to do is count the numbers to the left of the colored finger and the numbers to its right. There are 7 fingers on the left, so we write a 7 first. And then there are 2 on its right, so we write a 2. 9 times 8 is 72. Color the finger, number of fingers on its left, and number of fingers on its right. Now I want you to try 9 times 4. I give you 3 seconds. Okay, as it's the 4th multiple, we color the 4th finger. 3 fingers on the left, so we write a 3. And 6 fingers on the right, so we write a 6. 9 times 4 is 36. But what if we have a double-digit multiple of 9? Something like 9 times 12? If it's a double-digit multiple like this, you will need to use your feet then. So we use our 2 hands and our 2 feet. We number our fingers from 1 to 10 and our toes from 11 to 20. Now we have been asked to find the product of 9 and 11. We have been asked for the 11th multiple of 9. If the multiple is 2-digit, we have to look at the position preceding it and the position itself. So as we have been asked for the 11th multiple, we look at the 10th and the 11th position, one preceding it and the position itself. This is the 10th position and this is the 11th one. And now we count the positions on the left and the positions on the right. We can see that there are 9 fingers on the left, so we write a 9 first. And then there are 9 toes on the right, we write a 9 again. That's our number. 9 times 11 is 99. Remember, if it's a 2-digit multiple, then we look at the position preceding it and the position itself, and then count the positions on the left and the right. Now I want you to try multiplying 9 with 16. I give you 5 seconds. As it's the 16th multiple we have to find, we look at the 15th and the 16th position. This is the 15th position and this is the 16th one. How many on the left and how many on the right? 14 on the left, so we write a 14, and 4 on the right, so we write a 4. 9 times 16 is 144. More than a quick way of multiplying, it was more of a fun way. Interesting, wasn't it?